In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your document view in Coda. Coda is an all-in-one collaborative workspace that can significantly enhance your productivity by offering diverse ways to visualize your data. Let's walk through the steps together so by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to customize your document view effortlessly. Start by visiting the Coda website. It's a powerful platform that brings your documents, tasks, and data together in one place. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to log into your account, and here's where you have the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on Google to connect using your existing credentials. After you've logged in, you'll need to select your Google account. Find your account from the list and click on it. This will lead you to your Coda workspace, where you can access your documents and start working on changing your doc view. Now open your document of choice. With your document displayed, head towards the top right section and hit Options. This will bring up a variety of settings and choices for your document. You'll notice another option here that says See All Options. Be sure to click on it to make sure you're seeing every available viewing option Coda offers. You're now presented with several ways to transform your document view. Let's try a few to see what they look like. Start by clicking on Cards. This option is excellent for visualizing items in a card format, which can be particularly useful if you're working with lists or tasks. Next up, try clicking on Detail. This view allows you to see more in-depth information and can be useful for digging into specific entries without having to toggle through different parts of your document. Feeling adventurous? You can also turn your document into a calendar view. This is ideal for projects heavy on timelines, allowing you to see upcoming tasks in a calendar format. It's a great way to integrate time management into your workflow. And that's not all. You have even more options at your disposal. If you click on More, you'll discover additional formats such as charts, timelines, and other visualizations that can adapt to the specific needs of your project. These features are perfect if your data needs to be viewed dynamically or visually to help make informed decisions. Keep experimenting with these views to find which one best suits the nature of your work. You'll find that each provides unique insights and perspectives, adapting your document to fit your needs. Happy exploring in Coda.